Let's go ahead and go a little closer. Look at all this action over here.
I heard the news today that you're not home.
Nice headboard. Very nice canvas headboard. Ironing board. Very nice. All right, we're gonna have to talk over the background music. I'm at the storage unit. Look at this beautiful candle stick holder thingamabobber. That's solid. Doesn't have a price tag on it. That is a beautiful piece. We're just gonna throw these in storage right now. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Raised up, just a beautiful canvas piece right here. Absolutely stunning for house goals. And then this is actually really cool as well. This is a cafe tour and a magnetic, I think also a chalkboard, and it has a little clock right there. I thought that was a really cool piece too. So Cafe, Paris, France. So we're gonna go ahead and keep a couple of these. Nice little action. As you can tell, we are starting to stack up some beautiful portraits for house goals. Look at this, a nice little Spanish dancer. I've always liked that piece. We found that not too long ago. Here's the bike. I need to get back to my house actually sometime. And then this is the unit. This is the unit, baby. All right, let's go ahead and load up because the gate locks us out here in just in a little bit here. So we'll go ahead and put this action back here. Let's go ahead and show you what we do have back here. Oh, there's a motorcycle. There is a box that says Loft Decor. Remember that one? Alrighty, let's take a look at the little bit of the haul right here inside of the Under Armour bag. Everlast boxing gloves. That is awesome just for having a spare set if someone wants to come to the kickboxing gym with me in the underarm bag. Oh, hold on, there's my timer. Alexa, stop timer. We also again have the 2 Nerf guns, and in the same haul as the boxing gloves, we had ourselves 5 Green Mountain Coffee Dark Magic Keurig free coffee. I've already had 2, absolutely delicious. Coming up here, sorry, a little bit of the mess because we got some exciting news in the books, but don't worry, we're looking at a beautiful Starbucks mug right here, a brand new Starbucks mug with hot cocoa peppermint. That's probably $15. Not to mention 2 beautiful wine glasses that were brand new, and it looks like a beautiful champagne glass right there. So we got a nice little action, not to mention the little box out in the garage. Let me see if I can get some footage of that. Forgive the dryer in the background, but 7th generation disinfectant wipes, that's worth a lot of money. The Y3 exercise hat there by Adidas. That's a great score right there, folks. We're gonna wash that up, definitely use that. A couple cute little things, like little cat toys or something like that. You're gonna get a kick out of this. Look at this, a bunch of Supreme stickers right there. Look at all those Supreme stickers. I know Supreme's worth a lot. I don't know how much their stickers are worth. We have some Lifting Pro Fitness lifting wraps, wrist straps there. Some Kleenexes, which we probably need to dispose of. We also have another hat. This is a camouflage Vans flat bill. I thought that was really cool. Let's see here. We also have another hat. This is a Carhartt. Another pack of Kleenexes we need to get rid of. Again, these are a sweet find right here. These are the muscle clamps for the ends of your barbells. These are sweet, and these are definitely something I do need, so that was a great score. We have a UPS envelope thing that can be thrown away. Looks like some earbud stuff. Turtle wax polishing compound, that's worth some cash. We like that. A couple more of these little trinket things there. Overall, nice little score of a box. Well, folks, we're back out here in the country life. Chris, what do you mean you're in Colorado? You were just in California. Well, let's go ahead and road trip on out. Let's get here, and then let's start diving. Look at these, look at them.
That's what sticks into the ground.
Wow. Look at this, folks.
Yep.
I'm standing on the corner, Winslow, Arizona, looking for... Well, it's supposed to be a nice coffee, iced tea. Okay, here we go. Colorado. State line right here. Look at that, taking them photos. There we go. Little pump track.
Wet?
Let's do it.
All right.
That's pretty cool.
It's gonna be, I mean, we can get through here pretty quick, but
Yeah.
it's gonna be wet.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
This is living, baby. This is living, baby. Afternoon, thunderstorms, Pikes Peak, disc golfing right now. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing in the rain, baby. Country, folks. That'd be the country. Beautiful sunsets. Elvis Presley, Memphis, Tennessee. That's the country. Well, 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 folks, we're out here at the good old compactor. Let's go ahead and whip on over here. Let's go ahead and take a little look-see. We got ourselves a random. There's a refrigerator right there. Let's go ahead and go a little closer. Look at all this action over here. We might have to shine some light. We got some patio chairs. Let's see what else is right over here. I don't see anything right next there. We might have to go peek in. But let's go ahead and check this out. There is a truck right over there. Okay, we got actually a vacuum over here as well. Hold on. Well, folks, a really nice haul there. Some nice clothes, an REI belt, mattress, lounge chair, sugar-free energy drinks. Sky's the limit. And we took the whole entire bag of clothes. We're gonna go ahead and look through that when we get back home. We're gonna go ahead and stop by the cages before we shut it down for the night and head on home. We got some action, adventure, and mountain biking tomorrow. Chris, why do you call them the cages? Well, let me show you. Because you can see straight through them, and unfortunately, it is, again, a random Tuesday, so looks like the trash was just taken out in the last couple days, which kind of stinks sometimes, but the good news is that this place also has a compactor as well. Colorado picking, of course, is a little bit different than California picking, but let's go ahead and see what we got here. Well, we got ourselves an old school lazy boy right off the bat right here. Look at that. So what's nice is that you can actually see all the way in, right in here, and I don't see much besides maybe a little bit of dresser back there, but I like this old school lazy boy. Real nice. All right, folks, it's getting a little bit late, but I do want to show you that big, huge bag of clothes that we did find the other night at the compactor before I do give them to my brother's wife. Let's go ahead and see what was in the bag. These are just some regular random shirts I don't think she's gonna like. We'll go ahead and donate those, but let's check out the sweet scores. Under Armour workout pants right here. We have a high-end Victoria's Secret bra. I'm just going to see if she wants it. I have no idea. Wonderful polo shorts that actually look like those might fit me. Most of these were women's clothes, but we're going to go through a couple items that I think might be my size. Anyway, we got workout pants. We got hoodies. We got awesome board shorts. We got ourselves Under Armour small shorts there for women. We got Columbia shorts. We got more leggings and Nike Dry Fit skirts, a sweet jacket. I mean, a whole big, huge bundle of clothes. We got real estate books of real estate. We got Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Buyer Beware, whole stack of real estate books. A CrossFit shirt that's actually a men's medium. That's sweet. So I think that's going to go with these right here for me. Not to mention this sweet, really comfortable Christmas not Christmas. Yeah, that's kind of Christmassy. It's like a sweet fleece that should fit me. The REI belt we did see, and then jammed in there is almost brand new soccer cleats right there. I believe these are women's. Don't quote me on that one, but I believe so. So we'll probably look these up and try to sell them on eBay, or just take those into Play It Again Sports, pick up some money for some more disc golf stuff. Anyway, great scores. We're going to be giving most of this away to my sister. She's going to be super pumped. I mean, there's some other stuff in there. You got to see that jacket, Oakley shirt right here. I mean, just awesome stuff. And I'll give my brother all of these books right here. I don't think I'm going to need any of those. I kind of know the concept behind Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Anyway, I'm going to see if he wants those. I also want to show you this. This was, so I think she must have got hurt or injured. This is a BREGT score high-end knee brace right here. And my guess is probably, I don't know, I haven't looked it up yet, but my guess is she probably paid, or he paid upwards of probably over $100 for this knee brace. I haven't seen one this high-end in a while, so I definitely need to look that up to see if that's worth some buco bucks. Anyway, thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Now, let's get some more hunting in the books. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.